Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Rachel. I went on Frankie Collective, which is a online store where you can buy reworked Supreme, Adidas, Nike clothing. So they've taken like vintage stuff and made it into something like cooler. So my impulsive ass bought a mystery box from them. Here it is. I'm a little nervous just because I'm really tiny. We'll see. Let's find out. Do it with me. Be scared with me. Who knows what I'm in for? We're seeing what's in this. To see if it's like good deal, not a good deal. Who knows? It's a mystery. Oh, I'm really scared. Okay. I saw something red. I'm really scared. Let's do item by item. Because then I'll just want to look at everything. I feel a hat. There's a hat in here. It's a furry hat. This is a Tommy Halfway. Ooh. Wait, this could actually be cute. Next item. Something white. Oh, cute. Okay. A crop top polo. Nice. Cute. Wow. What the fuck is this? No way. A champion? Wow. I hope it fits me. Because I ain't got no titties, really, to be honest. Everything is just so scary. You don't know what you're going to pull out. What is this? A bandeau. A Nike bandeau. Or tube top, whatever you want to call it. That's actually really cute. I like that. Yes. I don't think we have many items left. There are like about 5 items. There's still more stuff in here, though. It feels kind of heavy. Maybe it's a big item? This is a big one, I think. These are cargo pants. They smell kind of funky, not gonna lie. Maybe? We'll see, you know? Is that it? Yeah. So I got 5 items. Should we try them on? Let's do it. So, this is the first item. This is a champion. It's not a bathing suit. What do you call a top like this? I don't even know. It's cute. I fuck with it. I really like it. So yeah, that's item 1. Let's try on the next. Just do something crazy for a second. If I tightened it and actually like put my hair in a proper bun. I don't know, I just feel like my head's really big. Which it is, so I mean, be happy. Okay, this is cute. Let's try on the pants. Why not? Oh, it's actually not bad. Here are the pants. Which are cute. Here. Can you see? That's actually cute. Wow. So this is the back of the shirt and the back of the pants. I look hella thick. I just need to burn off this and get that shape, you know? And I'm happy because these aren't too, like, every single pair of pants I get, normally, I have to roll up the bottoms because I'm so tiny. These, bitch, not today. I'm actually kind of loving these more than I thought I would. Oh my god. I love. Oh my god. Why don't I wear white? It's because I stand everything. I already knew the answer to that question. But this is a fit. This is really a fit. I really like this. I'm actually happier than I thought I would be. To be honest. Ew, I look like a Trump supporter. Oh my god. Wait. No, but like, I don't even know. There's a lot of Confederate colors in this outfit right now. There we go. Ooh. I'm trying to like see. I'm not wearing any makeup today, so just allow my pimpled face, okay? Oh, excuse me. It's cute. I had an early class this morning, so I was like, I'm getting out of bed and going to class. Didn't do anything about my face. So, that's why that is. But, bro, I actually like these pants. I didn't think I would. I saw them and I was like, oh, I don't know if that's like very me. And it's not, truth be told, but like, I didn't even know if they would fit me. Like, they can't be me if they don't fit me. You know what I mean? But yeah. I really fuck with this. I like this shirt. I should wear white. There's some white, like, shades that don't look good on my skin color. And I know that sounds absolutely ridiculous, but it's true. But this shade? Girl. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Tell me. So today was just like a super short like video. I'm literally wearing everything that, oh, aside from, I can only have so many things on my boobs at one time. I got it for $119.53 in Canadian. Something Canada, you know? So if you're in the US, it'll be cheaper because our dollar is right now. I got this bad boy, the Champion. I don't even know what you would call this thing. It goes on your boobs. It goes on your boobs. I got this hat. It looked disgusting, but it says Tommy Hilfiger jeans. It's actually fuzzy. It's a fuzzy hat. I got this shirt, this polo, this, and this bandeau, the Nike bandeau, or tube top, whatever you want to call it. And I got these pants. These are called cargo pants, right? And that's how it went down. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye, guys.